What if your IDE helped bridge the gap between developers and operations? GoLand helps your team deploy faster, fix issues quicker, and work together more efficiently. No more chasing errors. No more endless context switching. One window, one flow. Kubernetes, Terraform, GitHub, and the terminal. But that's not all. Docker, dev containers, databases, message queues, and more. Need a boost? Get AI support when you want it. Silence when you don't. Speed up your coding. Ship it. Watch your infrastructure pulse green. Onboard teammates in minutes. Solve 2 AM incidents in seconds. Maybe even catch an extra hour of sleep. Are you DevOps? Try GoLand.